Hello, beautiful humans. Well, fall is finally here, and she's bringing candles, cider, pumpkin spice, knit blankets, and spooky movies. And that sounds wonderful now that it's starting to cool off. I did a poll recently of all of you, and most of you said that fall and winter were your favorite times of the year. Fall is mine as well. Today I wanted to discuss slow productivity. In a world of hustle culture and overachievement, it's easy to burn out. It can affect our mental health and physical health. Now more than ever, we need to take a look at what we truly need to find peace, contentment, and happiness. When the pandemic first started and we shut down, we began to see nature heal. Rivers ran clear, the ozone hole began to close, and we humans, even though we might have experienced fear, we found some relief of not having to go in and put a 60-hour plus work week at a job that was full of interruptions and not letting us get much done. When employers decided to pay people to work from home, many realized that they were more productive while not needing to spend hours commuting, spending money and time on going out for lunch, and those constant interruptions in the workplace. Suddenly, it made sense. We had control and could still be very productive. Setting boundaries, everyone did their jobs, but no more. We all came to realize that we were happier being able to spend time with family, being able to engage in our own hobbies without being exhausted. We were able to unleash our creativity, and critical thinking returned. When employers called many people back to the office, many decided to take part in the Great Resignation if their employers refused to let them work from home. Those that did go back kept their boundaries, working only during the working day, 9 to 5 and no more. No longer staying late, valuing their time. Slow productivity doesn't mean to stay on one task all day, but it does mean respecting your time. Some decided to scale their life down so they could work part-time and spend the rest of their time working on their passion. By embracing slow productivity, we feel more energized, less stress, and this allows us time to socialize, enjoy our hobbies, and more flexibility in tackling domestic chores. We need a movement to reduce the volume of work assigned in the first place. Workers need to have the work volume at a sustainable level, properly prioritizing with the time needed to be completed. Slowing down is essential, and slowing down the pace of the workday itself is essential for a healthy mindset and avoiding burnout. So take things slow, look at your life, and see what makes it better for you. Look at your life and see what you're missing, and do whatever it takes to make you happy. And as always, be kind to yourself.